Skilled watchmakers assemble each Rolex with meticulous precision. Rigorous testing ensures flawless accuracy. Every Audemars Piguet watch embodies centuries of Swiss craftsmanship. The rotor spins, harnessing motion. Its energy flows through the gear train. The balance wheel keeps the time. Final connection secure. Running system diagnostics. Copy that. Looks stable. Aviation turbines begin as digital designs. Robotic arms welding fuses the components together. Finally, assembly creates the engine. Premium materials are precisely aligned and secured in comfort. The result, unparalleled luxury for the skies. SpaceX builds its rockets with precision engineering, from raw materials to launch-ready vehicles. This is the future of spaceflight. SpaceX builds its rockets with precision engineering, from raw materials to launch-ready vehicles. This is the future of spaceflight. Alignment on the LOX tank looks good.
Confirmed. Running diagnostics now.
Good. Proceed to the next stage. Aircraft wings begin as aluminum sheets and carbon fiber components. Robots and workers assemble these with precision. Precision is key when crafting these premium services. The result is an exclusive travel oasis. The precision on these fan blades is critical for efficiency. Watch the robotic arm integrate the turbine. How carbon fiber aircraft parts are made. Sheets are precisely layered onto a mold. The part is then cured in an autoclave. How carbon fiber aircraft parts are made. Sheets are precisely layered onto a mold. The part is then cured in an autoclave.
We start by selecting the finest leather and wood. The result is a seamless, bespoke luxury environment.
Here, precision in every assembly. The result, a flawless luxury helicopter ready for its owner. Boeing business jets are crafted with precision in our advanced facilities. Every detail, from structure to luxury interiors. Panel alignment complete. Robot proceed to rivet. Systems green. Next stage initiated. The Gulfstream journey begins with precision assembly of the fuselage, culminating in a crafted, luxurious interior. Robotic arms fuse steel with precision, building the foundation of raw power. Skilled hands assemble the engine. Pagani's artisans hand-lay each carbon fiber panel with meticulous precision. Robotic arms execute flawless welds. Skilled technicians that less body quality inspection to inspection. At Maserati, robots and artisans collaborate with precision. Each chassis is a function of power and grace. Precision robots and skilled technicians build every Range Rover. Advanced tech meets handcrafted luxury. The Audi R8 assembly begins with robotic precision. Every connection is meticulously crafted. The Audi R8 assembly begins with robotic precision. Human expertise. Every connection is meticulously crafted. Here, robotic arms and skilled workers collaborate to assemble the BMW 7 Series. Mara frame. The chassis moves down the line where workers and robots complete the assembly. Robotic arms precisely weld the Escalade's chassis. The tray goes on state. Press your motion. Aston Martin luxury cars are crafted with precision engineering, blending robotic efficiency with space. The Porsche 911 is built with precision. Robotic arms ensure flawless assembly. The iconic flat-six engine is installed. Craftsmanship from start to finish.
Aligning the chassis now.
Robotic precision meets human expertise.
Interior trim is set.
Here, Bugatti's hypercars begin as advanced carbon fiber chassis, transforming raw power into million-dollar masterpieces. Robotic precision assembles the core. Machining ensures flawless performance. Experts oversee every critical detail.
Will be Ferrari V8 engine,
Precision is key for performance.
a blend of man and machine.
Inside Lamborghini's supercar production line, robotic arms assemble the future of luxury.
Attento alla saldatura. Fissaggio completato.
Welcome to Lamborghini's production line, where robots and artisans create masterpieces. Every Bentley is a masterpiece, built by hand. Artisans craft each detail with expert precision. This is bespoke luxury engineering.
We begin by hand-fitting this exquisite wooden dashboard. Next, the leather seats are meticulously stitched and installed.
Here, cutting-edge robotics and skilled artisans unite to craft each detail is perfected, embodying the pinnacle of automotive excellence.